I'm going to be singing I Lie by Taylor Swift. I hope you like it. I don't think that passenger seat has ever looked this good to me. He tells me about his life, and I count the colors in his eyes. I never fall in love, he swears as he runs his fingers through his hair. I'm laughing cause I hope he's wrong, and I don't think it'll ever cross his mind. He tells a joke, I think and smile, and I know I love his favorite song. And I can tell you his favorite color's green. He loves to argue, born on the 17th. His sister's beautiful, he has his father's eyes. If I ask him if I love him, I lie. He looks around the room, innocently overlooks the truth. Shouldn't the light go on? Doesn't he know I've had it memorized for so long? And everything in black and white, never let nobody see him cry. And I don't let anyone see me wishing he was mine. I can tell you his favorite color's green. He loves to argue, born on the 17th. His sister's beautiful, he has his father's eyes. If you ask me if I love him, I lie. Sits there, then walks away. My God, if I could only say I'm holding every breath for you. He'd never tell you, but he can play guitar. I think he can see through everything but my heart. First thing when I wake up, my God, he's beautiful. So I put on my makeup and pray for a miracle. Yes, I could tell you his favorite color's green. He likes to argue, born on the 17th. His sister's beautiful, he has his father's eyes. If you ask me if I love him, I lie. I lie. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment.